Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to film a dramatic New Year's Eve makeup tutorial, and I have been wanting to do a makeup look with like a glitter, like half glitter crease for a while now, and I thought that this would be the perfect time to film a tutorial like that. So if you would like to see how to do this, just keep on watching and I'm gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. The New Classics palette today, and I'm just using the cream shade as my brow bone highlight. For my crease color, I'm just going in with the shade Truffle and the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm just blending that shade in my crease and in my outer V.
It is written.
Then to give this eyeshadow look a nice like cat eye effect on the outer V, I'm just going in with the matte black in this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette and the Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just slowly shaping out the outer V. So, you know, just take your time with this. I mean, obviously I sped this up because it took me some time. But just take your time and just make sure that you blend everything really well. I'm just using little circular motions and windshield wiper motions to blend that there in my outer V. Then I'm just going back with that shade Truffle and just blending the edges of that black eyeshadow, making sure that there's no harsh edges. And then of course I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye. I feel like you can see what I'm doing on this eye a little better than the first eye. I don't know, I feel like this angle is a little better. For my lid shade, I'm just going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Black is the New Black. And it's a really beautiful black eyeshadow with little tiny silver and gold glitters. So I'm just shaping that out there with the wand, and actually with the wand it does a pretty good job. I thought I was going to need a brush, but you actually don't need a brush to apply this. And I did go in with a second layer just to make it really intense.
It is written.
So we're finally doing my favorite part of this makeup look. I'm just using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And I did go in several different times to build up the liquid liner, but I just kind of follow the edge of where I put that cream, that liquid shadow down, and take it a little bit past halfway. And then I'm just doing a super dramatic wing with this makeup look. I'm going to be wearing false lashes today, and I show you guys the wrong lashes. I show you guys these cherry lashes, but I actually use the Ardell Wispies, the number 113s, which are super long and dramatic. And then I'm just going to clean up underneath my eyes, like get any little glitter fallout that fell on my face, and I'm just going to clean up before I do my foundation. And if you're curious as to like what foundation or concealer I used, I will have everything that I used today linked down below because I went ahead and did that off camera. And now I'm just going in and smoking out my lower lash line with that truffle shade and the pencil E30 brush. And then I'm using a little bit of that matte black as well.
It is ready.
For my contour and bronzer today, I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. contour palette and the Real Technique sculpting brush and buffing brush.
It is ready.
For my lips, I'm just going to be lining them with this Rimmel Exaggerate lip liner in Innocent. And then for my lip color, I'm using one of the new Wet n Wild lip colors. It's one of their high shine lipsticks in, Send Nudes. And so I'm just using that for my lipstick today. I wanted my highlight to be extra glowy today, so I'm just using the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. And this highlight is gorgeous with this makeup look. I just love it. It's one of my favorite gold highlights. And I'm just using one of the mini Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponges dampened to apply this highlight.
You are listening to a scriptmusic.com exclusive.
And I'm just going back with the Morphe M438 brush and just making sure everything is buffed out really well there with my highlight. And then for my setting spray, I'm just using the Milani Make It Last. Alright guys, so that is this New Year's Eve makeup completed. I hope that you all have a happy New Year's and an awesome 2019. I cannot believe it's going to be 2019. That's just insane. Next year it's going to be 2020. Crazy. I wonder if we'll have flying cars by then. Anyway, I hope that you guys did enjoy this. Can you see Salem back there sleeping? He's trying to sleep anyhow. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what are some of your New Year's resolutions, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.